horizontal line test to identify inverse functions. If a horizontal line crosses the graph of a function more than once, there's no inverse function. So for A, for example, if you were to draw horizontal lines, the graph touches this line more than once, therefore it's not a function, inverse function. For B, if you were to draw horizontal lines, the graph touches the lines only once on each line. Therefore, it is an inverse function. Has an inverse function. So for C, we do the same. This has an inverse function because it also touches the lines only once. And for D, it does not have an inverse function because there are parts of the line that touches more than once. If you have a function, its inverse would be represented as the reflection of the graph of y equals x, which is shown by these graphs. So if we have to find the inverse of this function, we would replace fx with y. So we'd have y equals 3x minus 2, and then you switch the y and x value, so you would have x is equals to 3y minus 2. Then you make y the function. Sorry, the subject. Function. So then you would bring 2 to the other side, so you'd have x plus 2 is equals to 3y. And to get y by itself, you would divide by 3, so you would have x plus 2 divided by 3 is equals to y. Therefore, f minus 1 of x is equals to x plus 2 divided by 3. So for this example, we would do the same thing. So we would replace fx with y and have 4 minus 3x. So then we would switch the x and y values. So this would give us x is equals to 4 minus 3y. We would then make y the subject. So we would have to bring 4 over to the other side. So we have x minus 4 is equals to negative 3y. To get y by itself, we would divide by negative 3. So we'd have x minus 4 divided by negative 3 is equals to y. And therefore, f minus 1 of x is equals to x minus 4 divided by negative 3. Which is the same as saying negative x plus 4 divided by 3. If you see this, it indicates that it's a composite function, and you would have to input the answer that you got from over here, from the inverse, into the original function. So here they've put 4 minus x over 3 into their original 4 minus 3x, and then if the answer is x, then it means that it's correct and they're inverses of each other.